Hi, my name is Kevin Stoltz, and I am a Global Product Manager for Liquid Analysis at Emerson. Today, I will be taking you through the installation and initial setup of the Rosemount 1058 dual-channel transmitter. Before you begin, ensure you have on hand the product manual, which can be found on the Emerson website. This is where you will find all the necessary instructions and best practices for installation, calibration, and troubleshooting. To start, it is important that the transmitter is installed in an area where vibration, electromagnetic, and radio frequency interference are minimized or absent. The 1058 transmitter supports panel, wall, and pipe mounting. Refer to the mounting configuration section of the manual for drawings showing each of these configurations. For a panel mount, you will need to supply a panel with an opening that is 6.2 inches high by 6.3 inches wide. The maximum thickness of the panel should be 0.375 inches. You will also need the panel mounting gasket and 4 mounting brackets and screws that are provided with the transmitter. Ensure that the mounting gasket on the transmitter is already in place. Then slide the back of the transmitter through the front of the panel. When the mounting gasket is pressed against the panel, insert the mounting brackets in the slots on the side of the transmitter. And tighten the screws with a screwdriver until the transmitter is secured. After mounting the transmitter, the conduit openings can be prepared. There are 6 conduit openings on the transmitter. Conduit openings accept half-inch conduit fittings or PG 13.5 cable glands. Use type 4X or IP66 rated cable glands for all cables entering the transmitter and block unused openings with type 4X or IP66 conduit plugs. After the conduit openings are prepared, you can begin wiring the 1058 transmitter. Wiring procedures can be found in the wiring section of the product manual. Once all the wiring connections are secured and the cover is closed, power up the transmitter. Once the transmitter is powered up, a quick start screen appears and will guide you through the initial configuration. First, you will be prompted to confirm the language and temperature units. You can change the language by pressing the Enter menu key or push the down key to move the cursor to the temperature units box. You can change the temperature units by pressing the Enter key. To go to the next screen, use the arrow keys to move the cursor to Next and press Enter. You will then be prompted to either confirm or change the time and date. If the time and date are correct, select Time and Date OK by pressing the Enter key. If the time and date need to be changed, select Change Time and Date, and then change the time and date using the alphanumeric keys. When the time and date are correct, use the arrow keys to move the cursor to Apply and press Enter. Next, use the arrow keys to move the cursor to Back and press Enter. You will then be prompted to confirm the new time and date. Select Time and Date OK by pressing Enter. The next screens display helpful keypad operation and sensor information. Quick Start is now complete. To make additional settings or calibrate the sensor, go to the main menu by pressing the menu key. This completes the overview of how to install and set up the Rosemount 1058 dual-channel transmitter.